Good morning, folks. AngelRFishing back at you guys with another exciting fishing video. In this video, guys, we are competing in a state challenge from KBF, which is the June state challenge for Illinois. And the goal is to get the best 5 fish based on length and hopefully get up in the top 10. Am I gonna win? Heck no. But I want to make my way up to the top 10 at least out of 37 anglers, I believe. So let's sit back, relax, and do some fishing and see what we can get out here on this nice clear body of water. We're gonna start off the morning right. When I say that, I mean we didn't come out here this early for nothing. Came out here to start off at the top water. This place does not have that much vegetation. I figured there's not that much vegetation. I'm gonna start off my morning with a pompadour from Jackal in the black bone color. Though the frog would be nice, I don't think it's gonna happen. It actually will happen, don't get me wrong, but I feel like my confidence with the pompadour with those treble hooks being out is a lot higher than it would be with a freaking frog hookup ratio wise. Let's see what we can get here, people. Going. Okay, that's the first fish on top water. That's a nice one. Okay. That's a good one. First fish on top water. He just ate the pompadour. It's a nice one. Gotta get a picture of this guy because I am doing my online tourney. Probably 15 incher, 15 and a half. Sweet. Okay, so this one's gonna be a good fish. Good morning, folks. First fish, top water, 15 3/4. Great way to start the morning. I'm gonna get a release on this bad boy. So let's keep fishing. Beautiful largemouth bass came off the pompadour, top water. That's how we do it. Oh my God, that's a nice one. Get it. Get in the freaking. Oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God. That's freaking right at the kayak. Oh my God. That fish almost freaking got me really bad. This is a good one. Lengthwise, these hooks are really sticky. I'm thinking this is a 16 incher. What do we have? Oh yeah, that's a freaking 17. This is what I needed. This is 17 and a half. Well, folks, we are back. Another topwater bite. We got a 17 and a half incher. This is what we need right here, people. Awesome morning so far. Hopefully we can keep getting them, but look at that. 17 and a half. That's a nice largemouth. Time to get a release on this beautiful largie. Look at that, 17 and a half. Beautiful largie. See you later, girl. Yahoo! That's what I love. Oh my God. Oh, I got him. Oh my God. Come on. Don't jump. Whatever's, it's freaking pulling. Oh, that ain't gonna help. That's a nice 13 incher. It's not really gonna help, but I'm taking him. Any fish I can get is gonna count today. Let's see what we got here. 14 and a quarter, almost 14 and a half. Oh, well, flopped off the capture board. Whatever, I got pictures of him. The little guy.